Look at me. Are you in this country with or without permission?
Without.
Drinking while driving? And I'm going to tell you now, the incoming president is not very sympathetic with people who are in immigration custody. Do you understand? You will be stuck like Chuck in custody. Tell me, are you a United States citizen?
I'm a resident.
I don't know if you are or not. And quite frankly, I don't care.
This guy walked into court acting all confident, like a DUI was nothing serious. He thought he'd just say sorry and walk out free. But when the judge asked if he was in the country legally, everything changed fast. Turns out he didn't have a license, wasn't here legally, and had a bunch of bad choices following him. The judge started talking about possible deportation and jail time, and that's when he realized how serious it was. What do you think? Are the courts being fair with illegal immigrants, or is this getting out of hand? Let's watch what happened.
Bernabe Larios Tayun.
Yes, sir.
Order in the court, please.
You were charged with driving while intoxicated. You are facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, sir.
On October 31st, 2024, officers were dispatched at 2:46 a.m. to report to the motor vehicle sitting in the intersection of a public roadway in Harris County, Texas.
Can I get you, slow down just a tad?
Yes,
Please.
of course.
Order in the court.
Vehicle was.
The vehicle was sitting in the intersection
Estacionado en
of
la
a public
intersección de
roadway
una calle pública.
in Harris County,
Del
Texas,
condado de Harris County,
with the
Texas,
driver
cuando el
asleep at the
chofer ahí
wheel.
dormido en el volante.
Upon
El perdido,
arrival,
los policías,
officers located defendant's motor vehicle
encontraron el
and
vehículo,
observed defendant to be the
y lo
sole
vieron que era el
occupant
único
of the
que estaba
vehicle.
en el vehículo.
Upon
Cuando
contact with the
hicieron contacto con el
defendant,
acusado,
officers
los
observed
oficiales
red,
vieron
glossy
que tenía
eyes,
sus ojos brillosos,
slurred speech, and an
personalidad para
odor of
hablar, y un
alcoholic
olor de alcohol
beverage emitting from the
que provenía
defendant's person,
de su persona.
along with poor
Cuando él
balance.
también no se podía balancear.
The defendant
El
admitted to
acusado
drinking,
admitió de que
and
había
an
tomado,
inventory
y
of
cuando
the
hicieron
vehicle
inventario del vehículo,
yielded several
vieron de
open,
que
cold to the
varios
touch beer cans,
Drinking while driving?
siendo y tomando,
most of which were mostly
cuando
empty.
la mayor parte estaban vacíos.
SFSTs were
Las
conducted,
FST se hicieron
6 out of 6
6 de 6 de la
HGN,
HGN,
plus vertical
también
gaze
el
nystagmus,
nystagmus vertical,
and 3 out of 4 one-leg stand.
3 de 4 de pararse en una sola pierna.
The defendant
El
failed to perform the
acusado
walk and turn
no podía
because he
hacer
failed to
caminar y
follow
voltear porque no
instructions.
siguió las instrucciones.
DICs were read but
Entonces se le
refused,
leyó,
and a
se
warrant was
negó.
signed and
Entonces se
executed.
firmó una
He
orden y
has
se
no driver's license,
hizo.
judge, and no
No tenía
prior criminal
licencia ni
history.
tampoco tenía ningún antecedentes.
I would hope
Yo,
that you recognize it's elementary that you're not supposed to have alcohol in the car while you are driving, Mr. Tayun.
señor Tayun,
Do you have a Texas driver's license? Look at me.
míreme, no,
You're not
a usted
allowed
no
to
se le
drive.
permite conducir.
What is your immigration status? Are you a United States citizen?
¿Es ciudadano americano?
No.
No,
Are you in this country with or without permission?
without.
What happens if you go to jail?
That's not her place.
I don't know, I believe that return me to my country.
Right.
Cierto.
You will sit
Usted va
in jail
a la cárcel.
waiting for this case to be over with, and then you will be shipped off to immigration.
Lo mandan como
But you will sit in immigration custody for about 6 to 9 months, waiting for immigration to do whatever they're going to do. And I'm going to tell you now, the incoming president is not very sympathetic
no es muy
with people
simpático.
who are in immigration custody.
Ay, ay, ay.
Do you understand?
¿Entiende? Yes, sir.
I'm putting conditions on you
Una condición.
and your bond. And if you violate it in any way,
Condiciones.
then you will go to jail. The reason you got out as quick as you did is because we gave you a free bond. It will not happen again. You violate conditions. More importantly, if you drive, because I'm ordering you not to, then I'm going to make your bond extremely.
The second the judge brings up immigration, you can see the guy's attitude change. He's not afraid of jail, he's afraid of what comes next. Still, he doesn't seem to understand how serious this is. He showed up with no license, open alcohol bottles in the car, and no papers to be here legally. Yet he thought he'd get away with just a warning. The judge gives him one last chance, no driving, no drinking, no excuses. But it's clear he's not really listening. He nods like he understands, but you can tell he's already thinking about breaking the rules again. And when he does, it's not just jail, it's deportation. Then the judge lays down the law. If you drive again, that's 6 months in jail and a $500 fine every time. If you drink again, you'll go to jail. And if immigration gets involved, you'll stay locked up until your case is done, and then be sent straight to immigration detention. The judge means business, no more warnings. Next, another guy walks in like he's just renewing his license. No fear, no concern. But this isn't paperwork. It's a criminal case. He was caught drunk driving too, weaving through lanes with 5 empty beer bottles and 1 still full. His blood alcohol level was way over the limit. He's lucky he didn't hurt someone. When the judge asks if he's a U.S. citizen, he says he's a resident. But even the judge isn't sure. So the same warning. No driving, no drinking. Break these rules and it's 6 months in jail each time. And if immigration finds out something's off, you'll stay locked up for months. Then go to immigration custody. The judge even makes him swear not to drive or drink again and tells him he'll be tested randomly. Still, both of these guys walk out thinking they're free, until they mess up again. Then it's straight to jail, immigration hold, and eventually deportation. So what do you think? Are the courts being too strict, or do these guys just never take it seriously? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. More crazy courtroom moments coming up. Is this conversation helpful so far?